A is equal to 2 cubed times 5 squared times 11. B is 3 squared times 5 times 7 squared times 11 squared. Find the highest common factor HCF of A and B, and find the lowest common multiple of A and B. So the prime factors have already been written for us. Now it's always a good idea maybe just to write them out without using their powers. So write down 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 times 11, and then B, write 3 times 3, so leave a space here for the 3's, and the 7 times 1 5 times 7 times 7 times 11 times 11. And now for the highest common factor, you pair up common factors. We've got 1 here and 1 here. So the HCF will be 5 times 11, which is 55. And for the lowest common multiple, we take the HCF, which is 5 times 11, and then write down everything else left. So we've got 2 cubed, 3 squared, times a 5, times 7 squared, times 111. And when you work that out on your calculator, you're going to get 10,672,200. So this has been a video to show you how to find the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple when each of the numbers have already been written as a product of their prime factors. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.